Hello students, today in the fourth part of the physical feature of India, we will take the rest three physical features of India. Still we done mountains, plains and plateau. So let us come to other physical features of India. Before that, we have to see all these physical features in the map of India. Here it is India. Now let us take the next physical feature, which is the desert. If we see desert in world, we have also the desert, but in world two types of deserts are there. The first is the hot desert and the second is the cold desert. If we see the cold desert, we have the cold deserts also. Here in the Ladakh glacier, Yamunotri, Gangotri, we have a lot of uh, cold deserts. Similarly, if we come to the hot deserts, then we have a hot desert also, which is called the Thar desert. It is in the west of Aravalli range. Now again, this desert part, we divide desert part into two parts. The Thar desert is also divided into two parts, that is the arid and the semi arid. The arid region, in arid region three districts basically comes of Rajasthan. They are Jaisalmer, Barmer and Bikaner. In this part we will see sand dunes. Sand dunes are here, oasis, जो सब कुछ हम कैमल्स के साथ जो डेजर्ट देखते हैं, रियल डेजर्ट सैंड ड्यून्स वाला, ये वो वाला पार्ट है. टोटली सैंड सॉइल्स यहाँ पर मिलती है. इफ वी कम टू द सेमी एरिड रीजन, इन सेमी एरिड रीजन द सॉइल इज बैरन. दिस लैंड इज अ बैरन लैंड. कुछ खास इसमें होता नहीं है. इवन देन पीपल्स आर कल्टिवेटिंग ड्राई क्रॉप्स लाइक मिलेट्स, जिसमें जौ, ज्वार, बाजरा एटसेट्रा होते हैं, उनको ये लोग कल्टीवेट करते हैं. जौ, ज्वार, बाजरा के अलावा यहाँ पर जो मेन वेजिटेशन मिलता है, दैट इज द ट्री खेजरी ट्री एंड सम अदर थ्रोनी वेजिटेशंस लाइक द कैक्टस, बबुल्स एटसेट्रा. ये सब कुछ जो है, ये भी सेमी एरिड रीजन जो है यहाँ पर इस रीजन में मिलता है. यहाँ पर हमको सैंड ड्यून्स नहीं मिलती हैं. द इन दिस रीजन द मेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ राजस्थान विच कम्स आर लाइक श्रीगंगानगर, जोधपुर, चूरू, नागौर etc. They all come in this region. So not only we have the desert, the fourth physical feature, but also we have the all two types of desert, that is the cold deserts and hot deserts. Now let us come to the fifth physical feature, and that is coastal plains. If we see coastal plains, we have a very long coastline which is more than 7,000 kilometer long coastline. Obviously we have a very long coastal plain, so we divide this our coastal plain into many parts. The first one is the Saurashtra coast. This Saurashtra coast is from here, that is this whole Gujarat region till Bombay. It is means it is from Okha, which is the westernmost point of India, to Mumbai. Now the second coast, which is from Mumbai to Mangalore, the second coastal plain is called Konkan coast. It is from Mumbai to Mangalore. The southern Maharashtra coastal plain, the whole Goa and the northern Karnataka coast comes in this region. Now let us take the next or the third one. This third one is from Mangalore to Tuticorin. Is the third coastal plain. The third coastal plain, name of third coastal plain is the Malabar coastal plain, a historical coastal plain which is from Mangalore to Tuticorin. Here Tuticorin port is here, which divide east and west coastlines of India. The states of Kerala comes in it and the southern Karnataka comes in it. Now let us take the other coast of India. They are this is the fourth coast of India, which is the Coromandel coastal plain. Tamil Nadu coast and southern Andhra Pradesh coast coming here is from Tuticorin to Vizag, that is the Visakhapatnam. यहाँ तक ये कोस्ट फैला हुआ है, प्लस पौंडीचेरी भी इसमें आता है. Now let us take the next coast of India, and that next coast of India is here. It is from Vizag to Paradip. Vizag से पारादीप तक है और इस कोस्ट का नाम है one of the old name of Orissa, that is Utkal. उत्कल इज द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ ओडिशा, जैसे कि इसका पुराना नाम था कलिंग और सरकार. इट इज फ्रॉम वाइजैक टू पारादीप, while the Coromandel coast is from Tuticorin port to Visakhapatnam port. Now the last one port of India is this port, which is from Paradip port to the last ending point of the coastline. This one is called the Bang coast. The division of the coast is the Bang. It is from Paradip to end of coastal line. So here we divide our coastals into 6 parts. These 6 parts are the Saurashtra. Now this one is the Konkan, Malabar. This one is the Coromandel coast. This one is the Utkal coast and this one is the Bang coast. अगर हम लोग देखें तो इंडिया के इस फिजिकल फीचर का पूरा डिटेल हमको मिलता है और वर्णन या फिर हम लोग कहें गुणगान जो है वो हमको मिलता है इंडिया के नेशनल एंथम में. अगर हम लोग इंडिया का नेशनल एंथम की बात अगर करते हैं तो वहां पर हमको मिलेगा लाइक राजस्थान का जो पुराना नाम था वो है सिंध. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम लोग देखें तो पंजाब, सिंध, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, ये द्रविड़, साउथ का पूरा द्रविड़, उत्कल जो मैंने उड़ीसा का पुराना नाम बताया उत्कल, एंड बंग. हियर इज विंध्य, हिमाचल, यमुना, गंगा. हिमाचल हो गया हमारा हिमालय और यमुना गंगा. तलचित तरंग जो साउथ में हमारा ये सागर है, इंडियन ओशन. सो वी हैव कोस्ट, अ लॉन्ग कोस्ट लाइन विच कनेक्ट इंडिया टू ईच पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. और आज से नहीं बल्कि हजारों सालों से यहाँ से जो है ट्रेड पूरे वर्ल्ड में हो रहा है. इंडिया स्प्रेड इट्स स्पाइसेस टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम मालाबार कोस्ट. इट आल्सो स्प्रेड counting, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3 to the Arabian Sea. This Sindbad in the Arabian Nights regularly comes to India. Similarly, India spread Buddhism from coastlines and from coastline. And similarly, we see some Ram temples in Cambodia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. So they all go from these coastlines. And obviously, in trade also we have a very good history. Now let us come to the last physical feature of India, and that is the sixth physical feature of India is the island. Now in world, islands are found, but in world two types of islands are found. Like the Hawaii Islands of Americas are made of volcanic eruption, and the Bering Islands in between the Australia and New Zealand are made up of coral reefs. If we see India, then we have volcanic islands, which are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and we have also the coral islands, which are the Lakshadweep Islands. The name Lakshadweep comes from Sanskrit word. Here, Lak means lake. A group of lake islands is called Lakshadweep Island. The Andaman Nicobar is again divided into two parts. The northern is called the Andaman, and the southern one is called Car Nicobar. Here in map we can see these are Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Seas, made up of coral islands, while these are the Andaman Nicobar Islands divided into two parts. This is the Andaman Islands. Port Blair is located in Andaman Island groups, while the southern one is called the Car Nicobar Islands, and the southernmost point of India, that is this one, that is the Indira Point, is located in the south of Car Nicobar Island, which is 6°45' north latitude. So this is how in this chapter, physical features of India, we see the whole physical features of इंडिया. वर्ल्ड अगर हम लोग वर्ल्ड देखें तो वर्ल्ड के कई कॉन्टिनेंट्स में कई फिजिकल फीचर्स नहीं मिलते हैं. लाइक इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया देयर इज कोस्ट, प्लेटू, desert only, and island also, Tasmania. That's all. But not all the six physical features in one continent. While in India, all the physical features are found. Not only all the physical features are found, but we see that a lot of diversity is found in all these physical features, and that is why India is also called a subcontinent. And one of the reason that why the Southern Ocean is called Indian Ocean is because that India has such a lot of diversity. That's all. This is how we done our whole part of physical features of India. Thank you.